Hey, what's up? This is Alethea and I'm coming in at you with another video. And this video is, yes, you guessed it, a haul video. My first video on this new channel, and it had to be a haul video. So for myself, I did decide to go ahead and up my game with my skincare, because what I have noticed with my drying under my eyes, you know, under the eyes, you know, they don't produce moisture like the rest of our face, so I need to take care of under my eyes as well as the rest of my skin. I decided to try the Origins Plantscription line, and so this is the box that the products came in, and let me show you what I have in here. So I started to just buy the facial cleanser by itself. Oh, this is so cute. So you take it out of that box and it opens up like this. But I started to just buy the facial cleanser by itself, but then I saw this little set. So the first thing that I actually pull out, oh, is a candle. It's a feel good candle, and it has neroli and lemongrass, whatever that is. I know what lemongrass is, but I don't know what neroli is. But oh my gosh. The lemongrass is just, oh my gosh, I can smell that really, really good. I may have to put that in here. Really like that. The next thing I have in here is Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Cleanser. And this is a 1.7 ounce. And I started to buy a 1.0 ounce for $33. And then I saw this set. And so I was like, well, let me get this set. It was only like 50 something or 60 something. The next thing that I take out is a powerful lifting cream. So yeah, I guess it's a cream. This is what this container looks like. Very soft smells, kind of like a tan, a beige, taupey looking color. So it's a facial cream, so I have that. And then the last thing that I did get in this is a anti-aging power eye cream. Like I said, I definitely need something for my eyes. This is a 0.17 ounces, and usually eye creams come really, really small because, you know, it doesn't take much. Just for the little eye area, it doesn't take much. So, and then I have the eye cream. I also got a free gift as well, and here's the free gift box. And with this, I got another anti-aging cleanser. I got an anti-aging power serum, and I have an anti-aging treatment lotion that are all in here. So this is a nice little size, seems like right here though. Yeah, this is a 1.7 ounce anti-aging treatment lotion. So that is like a full-size product that I got free. This is a 1 fluid ounce anti-aging cleanser. So this is the one that I was going to actually pay $33 for versus this one. That alright, so I had to change out the battery card, but like I was saying, this one is 1.0 fluid ounces. I was going to pay $33 for this versus getting this whole set of products for 60 something dollars. And the last thing in here is the anti-aging power serum. So I am going to read all these products to see how I'm supposed to use all of them. Of course, with the facial cleanser, I would guess that I'm going to clean my face with it. And with the eye cream, I'm going to put it on my eyes. But I need to see whether somebody, you know, sometimes you get products that are just to be used at night before you go to bed. And sometimes some products can be used at any time. So I'm going to read and see how to use these so I can get the best bang for my buck and the most benefits from these products. All right, and so the last two products that I did purchase with this order, I don't know why I purchased these, because I never buy Maybelline lip products, but I decided to purchase two Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink products. So here they are right here. Alright, so the first one is in the color 10, and it is called Dreamer. And this one is a lot pinker than it shows online. So what I'm going to have to do is make sure that I use a nice brown lip liner, because I don't mind using pink lippies, but I also don't want my lips to look like crappity crap. And then the next one is 75, and it's called Fighter. This is the one that I really, really wanted, because I am a neutral taupe brownie type of girl when it comes to lippies. I mean, this lippy I have on is pretty bold, but most of the time I try to tone down my lippies. But that one I see a hint of orange and a little bit of brown in there. So I cannot wait to use these lippies and see how they are. And the next product, you know what, this has become an obsession. It's really sickening. It's really sickening. But this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, I purchased another one of these. So now I have one at each place, and then I have a backup. When I tell y'all, this is sad. It is sad, but this stuff is like the best setting spray I have come across in a while, and I want to make sure I have some on hand at all times so that your girl will not run out of the product. Okay, I don't want to run out of it. I'm just going to be honestly serious. Seriously honest? Yeah. Honestly serious. Okay, and so the last products that I did purchase come from the Sephora VIB sale, and I did not do much damage. I'll be honest, I did not do much damage, but I did purchase a couple of items. So the first one though is this Basha cleansing oil gel. And I did purchase this before I purchased the Origins products, but I am still going to use this to see how I like this as well. But the main reason I purchased the cleansing oil gel, because cleansing oils are really, really good. Really, really good for taking off your makeup. So if you haven't tried a cleansing oil for taking off your makeup, I'm telling you, this stuff is bomb. Well, cleansing oils themselves are bomb.com. Now, I don't know about this one because I haven't tried this one, but cleansing oils are really, really good. So, but yeah, this one, and it says for all skin types. I'm really ready to try this one to see how I like it. And this is the container that it comes in, and it's just pink, like a gel. So yeah, I'm ready to try this. All right, so the next thing I got, which may not have been such a good idea, I may end up, well, no, I'm not going to take it back. I'm not going to take it back because these things last for a good little while. But I did go ahead and get another Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I got it in the color Butter Pecan. And that's because my Butter Pecan is almost empty. But I am now using the Brulee. The Butter Pecan has gotten too dark for me, so I'm now using the Brulee. But, I mean, you know, I'll continue to use the Brulee, and by the time the summer comes, and I do have some other foundations, so I will keep this and not take it back, and just by the time my tan starts to coming in, then I'll already have it. And then the next thing that I did get, another Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Now I do know that during the springtime, Sephora has their 20% off sale, and I do have one here that I am currently using, but I always like to keep one as a backup because I haven't found a setting powder yet that I love as much as I do love this setting powder. So I want to make sure that I keep this on deck and on hand. Alright, so that is it for this haul, and I probably won't be coming in with a haul for a good little while. At least that's what I'm saying now, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So with that being said, thank you so much for coming to check out another one of my videos. Go ahead and click that like button, comment, rate. Like is rating. Comment, rate, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And please do help me to grow this channel. I would like to grow this channel, and you know, and all that good jazz, and I would appreciate your help in helping me do that. So until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.